Hey everyone, how's it going? So, in honor of President's Day, I wanted to show you guys one of our famous monuments, and that is the Capitol building. Now, I'm going to try to move the cattail out of the way so that I can actually draw the Capitol building. So, to begin with this, we want to start right about in the middle of our paper, and we want to make a nice little triangle shape. So, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a really wide triangle shape like this. And then I'm just going to make a little line right at the bottom here. Then I'm going to make another little triangle shape right on top of this, or I should say on the inside, just for some detail. Then underneath here, I'm going to make a little rectangle shape. And then right along here, I'm going to make a line that goes out here, and then one out here. Try to keep it about the same length on each side, may go a little bit longer. And then I'm going to make a rectangle shape that goes up, and then right over to our triangle. Same thing here, up and then over. Then I'm going to make an extra little line right on top of here. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down here, and then one that goes right down here. And I'm just going to make a nice line that just goes right across to connect them. Then right here, I'm going to draw a diagonal line here, and then a diagonal line right here, just to kind of show where the staircase is. And then I'm just going to connect them like this. Then right here, I'm going to add a little curved line that comes back, and then a little curved line that comes back here. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then over to the staircase, and then down and over to the staircase. Then right inside of here, I'm just going to add some little columns just right along the edge here, just to show some details. So I'm just going to put some nice little columns going all the way across here. And then we'll end with one right on the end there. Then I'm going to put some really tall sad face shapes right along here. And then right along here, I'm just going to make some long lines that go right across here just to kind of show where the stairs are. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then over. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here, just go across and down. Then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve across. Then I'm going to add another one that goes right along the top of it. I'm going to make a line that goes up here and then a line that goes up here. And I'm going to add another curve. Add another little skinny curve line along here. And then I'm going to put one more right on top of it. Then I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes up, curves over, and then down. And then I'm going to put a great big sad face shape right on top of here. Then I'm going to add another little line that goes up, kind of curves over, and then goes down. Two little lines that go straight up. And then they're just going to curve on top. Little curved line at the very top. Then I'm going to put a little line that just kind of curves right around here. And then there's a little statue on top, and I'm just going to add a little curved line like this, kind of just goes up and down, just so we don't have to draw all those little tiny details. Now, let's come back down here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go straight out. It's going to go down and then come over. Then I want to do the same thing over here, just go straight out, down, and then come over. I want to make a line that's just going to go straight down, and then one that goes straight down here. And then we're just going to draw a line that just goes straight over to connect them. Then, right on top of here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to go up, over, and then down. Same thing here, up, over, down. Two little lines with a curve on top. Two little lines over here, do the same thing, put a little curve on top. Then I'm just going to add another little small curve on each one. Then right underneath this rectangle, I'm going to add another skinny rectangle. And then I want to add some details on here. So I'm going to add some more little columns going all the way across here. And I'm just going to put these going all the way along here, leaving a little bit of space in between each column, just so that they're not all on top of each other. I'm going to add some little kind of like upside down U shapes going along here. I'm going to add some little lines that are just going to kind of curve up to here. So these are going to curve. Then when I get to the middle, I'm going to go straight up. And then I'm just going to kind of curve these out as well. And then I'm going to add some little lines just like this. Now, right along here, I'm just going to add some little lines going down just for some details. Same thing over here. And then I'm going to put some little tall sad faces right in here just for some more little effects. Then I'm just going to add a little line that goes straight across here, and then I'll put a little one underneath it. Same thing here, just line straight across, and then another one underneath it. And then I'm just going to add some little rectangle shapes in here, just to make it look like there are some windows in there. And then I'll put a few down here as well. Same thing here, we're going to put about 6 on top. So we'll put 6 little rectangle windows on top, and then we'll put 3 at the bottom that are kind of spaced out. And then I'm going to add a little line that goes right in between these. And then I'm going to add kind of like a broken little curved line that go around here just to show some detail. So I'm not making this like a full curved line, just kind of making it a little bit broken. So I'm going to do the same thing right along here, just to add some details right around the windows. Then down here, I'm just going to add some little lines going down. And there you go. There is your drawing of the state capitol building. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.